This is Trip Hop with Sadie and Ranton. We're at the Riparian Preserve at Water Ranch in Gilbert, Arizona. Like, share, subscribe. We're in the heart of Gilbert, Arizona, taking a mental break from society, and what better place to go is the Riparian Preserve. Wow, is that an egret? Throughout the journey, it was a serene and wondrous place of wildlife to enjoy. What a beautiful and miraculous place to be. Well, what do you know? It was an egret, and it's posing for us. Thanks for watching.
And happy birthday, Mandy!